I'm going to show you how to set up a secondary address. So you first log in, and I'm going to be using this account as an example. You navigate to my profile, and right on the right bottom you have secondary mailing address. So you can open it up and first check that you're going to be using it. Then select when you're going for the secondary email address, or where you're staying at the secondary address. So let's say I'm there from May 10th to, let's say, August 10th. Then I'm going to fill out the address. I'm going to choose Florida, country, USA, and zip code. I have no idea. I will check some else, but for the sake of this video, we just want to put fake zip code, and that's all you do. When then you click update personal information, and it will update it, and now you see it's saved. If you decide not to use it anymore, you can just uncheck this checkbox and update the personal information, and from now on only this address will be used. The secondary is still saved, but the dates were cleared out, and it's not active anymore. So that's how you deal with secondary mailing address.